Hi everyone, my name is Shat and welcome back to my channel. And guys, welcome back to the most awaited video of October, which is like this makeup tutorial of Earth Nareshwar. I know मैंने आप लोगों को September end से like waiting में रखा था कि अभी आएगा. But for me, Earth Nareshwar is like a really relaxed character जिसके लिए मेरे को बहुत time चाहिए like makeup करने में लिए और बहुत एक like पीस होनी चाहिए मेकअप के लिए, इस मेकअप के लिए particularly. So yes, this is the look. Without any further ado, for this tutorial, keep on watching. So yes, the first thing first, the primer. So I'm using this Infallible gel primer, and that's a really cool like neck पे भी लगाना क्योंकि I'll be painting my neck as well. So yes, done with the primer. So I'm in my Earth Nareshwar outfit and now I'm just priming up my face as always cause I'll be applying like colors, okay, like you guys. तो उसके लिए थोड़ी skin ना safe होनी चाहिए. So now I am going to apply some foundation on the half of my face where I'll be like applying the color. तो पहले वहाँ पे लगा लेते हैं क्योंकि राधा के साइड में हम बाद में भी लगा सकते हैं. Blend it. Okay, so I have blended the foundation of my half of my face. So now I'll be applying the watercolors. Okay, so here I have like navy blue color mixed with like white. So फटाफट इसको apply करते हैं. So I have did this look once, so I know कि how to apply. So we'll divide our face into half first, like. So now let's paint it all up. So yes, let's paint it all up. Riya Sehgal doing this like Earth Nareshwar look, and she like deeply inspired me. So आँखों के ऊपर will apply the eyeshadow, तो उसकी टेंशन नहीं है. गाल पे, नेक पे और forehead पे लगाना है बस. Like this. cheekbone में भी लगाना है, किसी भी पार्ट को नहीं छोड़ना है, आँखों को छोड़ के. That is not safe for your eyes. Color क्योंकि घुस सकता है अंदर. So yes, there we'll use the Jaclyn Hill का एक blue eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm using this Huda Nude palette और उसका concealer is very good for my eyes. So वो लगा रही हूँ मैं just upon my eyes and I'm using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. तो उसमें ये जो shining blue color है, that's what I'll be using. Wait, I'll show you guys on my finger as well. So yeah, just a generous amount of it cause भगवान के नाम पे क्या कंजूसी. So yes, just fill it on the concealer. तो कंसीलर पे लगाओगे तो आपको थोड़ा पर्पल लगेगा, तो कंसीलर भी लगाओ लेकिन इसकी ना अच्छे से खुदाई करनी है आपको, लाइक अच्छे अमाउंट में लगाना है. I was in love with her look like you all. Like बहुत अच्छी लगी थी, तो मैंने उसके like 2 दिन बाद I've decided कि नहीं मैं करूँगी. So yes, I did it and you guys on my Instagram loved it. Okay, so I'm done with painting. जितना पार्ट मेरे outfit से दिखेगा like इधर तक I've painted as you guys can see. So now I'll go ahead with Radha. और watercolor will take like 5 to 10 minutes to just be dry. So Radha के लिए I'm taking like a generous amount. So yes, first before applying the foundation on the second half, just clean the extra वाटर कलर जो आपको लगता है कि एक्स्ट्रा, या लाइक दिस. सो ये नीचे का तो ठीक है, ऊपर का. सो आई यूज माई लाइक खराब स्पंज. सो यस, नाउ आई अप्लाई फाउंडेशन फॉर राधा. वो पंग नहीं है ना. तो आई एम यूजिंग माई हुडा ब्यूटी की लिपस्टिक. तो उसको ऐसे ही किसी ढक्कन में टिका रही हूँ मैं. सो आई एम यूजिंग द लिपस्टिक की बॉडी और अपना जो ब्रश है उसका नीचे का पार्ट जस्ट टू ड्रॉ दैट ग्रीनली थिंग्स बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनी what is called toothpick. So yes, I'm using that, and this is the second time of me doing this Ardhanareshwar look, and it do really takes a lot of time to be washed off. तो एक दिन आधे दिन तक तो मैं नीली लगती हूँ. Okay, so I'm ending this look with this like pink flower on my ears cause Radha was the one who used to love like pink flowers on her ears and on her body like mala वगैरह में. So I don't wear mala as such, so yes, this will definitely help. So yes guys, that's for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I know मेरे बालों की वजह से और इस कलर की वजह से आप लोगों को मेरे इस साइड का फेस बहुत कम ही दिख रहा होगा. So that's not the issue, and this is it for Ardhanareshwar. And now I have opted for this pink flower over on my ears cause Radha was the one who used to wear like that फूलों वाली माला and फूलों वाली earrings and all, and I'm like so unlucky in this क्योंकि मेरे को मिले ही नहीं. So that's not the case, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And for this particularly half of my face, I've painted it till here, you guys. So I've worked like really hard on this, and it will take like an hour to go. So yes, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check all my videos, all my makeup videos especially. So bye. For those who don't know the meaning of Ardhanareshwar, Ardhanareshwar means like a combination of women and men. Ardhanareshwar term also describes the love of Shiv Parvati and Krishna Radha. So I have opted for Krishna and Radha. So this is what I got. And Ardhanareshwar also means like the power of women, like it also describes the power of men and women both. So yes, the love and the power is all Ardhanareshwar is all for. So yes, I hope I have given you guys the information that I had.